On the 4th September 2020, Society of Urban and Rural Empowerment SURE, in collaboration with Northeast Slow Food and Agro Biodiversity Society NESFAS, organized a biodiversity walk at Mulom village on the Lasken block, West Giant Hills district. The program is part of the No One Shall Be Left Behind initiative project, which is supported by REC and implemented in some villages in Meghalaya and Nagaland. The main purpose of conducting the ABD walk is to help the young generation of the village to learn and appreciate the rich biodiversity of the area and the importance of protecting Mother Nature and its richness. Member of Youth Club, the Participatory Guarantee System PGS group and self-help groups in the village took part in the ABD walk. A total number of 30 people took part in the walk to identify edibles which start from the kitchen garden and end at the nearby forest. Two knowledge holders of the community, Rivyansi Suchiang, also member of the Agro Biodiversity Learning Circle and PGS group, and Marky Lamare guide these walk and introduce the group to various local plants, wild edibles and medicinal herbs. In the garden, Rivyansi Suchiang shared with the group her knowledge about local plants which the community had been cultivating and used for many generations. Along the way and in the forest, she identifies wild edibles, fruits, and shared with the group the different ways of how these wild edibles were used. Marky Lamare, a young herbal medicine practitioner in the village, shared with the group his knowledge about medicinal herbs available in the vicinity of the village. The ABD walk helped identify and documented 20 local plants, 9 wild edibles, and 5 herbs. Before the program started, Daka Bare, field coordinator of SHA, welcomed the entire group and highlighted the importance of local food for good health and also enlightened the group about agro biodiversity. Agrobiodiversity refers to a variety of animals, plants, and microorganisms that are used directly and indirectly for food and agriculture. When we disturb the natural order of the environment by eliminating species through eradication, destruction of habitat, removal of food sources, the effects of this interruption to the natural order may be detrimental, impacting not only a single species but an entire ecosystem, she said. Hamsnyao Per Suchiang, community facilitator, in her speech said that the goal of conducting the ABD walk is to help the group know how to appreciate the rich biodiversity in nature and to instill in them the need to preserve it. Suchiang also observed that the youths of today are detached from nature. They have lost touch with nature, and she encouraged the youths present in the gathering to reconnect with nature. After the walk, a cooking demonstration was held in the forest where the group cooked a healthy, sumptuous meal using ingredients that were collected from the walk. The group, particularly the youths, enthusiastically participated in the program, and when given opportunity, they raised questions which were clarified by the knowledge holders. Risa Sanna, a young girl, expresses her gratitude to the organization for organizing the program. She said that after the walk, she now realized that it is high time for the youth to come forward to protect nature and its richness. Dawan Roy Suchiang, another youth, also shared the same concern that youth nowadays does not respect Mother Nature anymore. She cited an example of young people cutting the branches of trees instead of just plucking the fruits they need. Prang Suchiang, an elderly person and a custodian farmer, said that he loathed people to destroy nature. He suggested the need of imposing fine by the village council to people who destroy nature. Somja Power, field coordinator of SHARE, also spoke on the meeting and offered a vote of thanks. It may also be mentioned that the entire program was held in open space, which is in the garden and the forest, as well as following the SOP.